Hello everybody and welcome back. Okay, today we're going to create something that's very easy that shows flow control in with using functions. When we use functions, we're going to use flow control. So first of all, we're going to import the time module. That will be used a little bit further on in this program. So import time. And we're going to create our first function, and I'm going to call it function 1. Okay, and then we're going to print out something here, so print this. Okay, and a new line there. Okay, and then we're going to go to function 2. This is going to help with the flow control here, so this will take us to function 2, which I'm just going to write now. Define function 2. Okay, let's just move that down a little bit so it looks a little bit better formatted. Function 2, print is. Okay, and then we're going to create another function called function 3. So we're just going to create that underneath. Define function 3 right here. Okay, and we're going to print a message again to the user. So the message is going to be flow. Okay, and then we're going to create another one, function 4, right underneath it, which is going to be here. Okay, and we're going to print, let's say, control forever. You'll see what this is all about in a minute. Okay, so there we go. And then what we're going to do, we've got function 4, and then we're going to create another function here called wait, and this is where we're going to use the time function. So we're going to create the other one under here, so wait. Okay, and we're going to print out something for the user here, so that's going to, whoops, no, we're not going to do that. We're going to yeah, alright, we'll do that. Print waiting. Okay, and that's going to be time. Let's have a look. Dot sleep. So this time dot sleep here, I'm going to put 3 into this box, which will mean that the program will it'll stop for 3 seconds. So it kind of like shut down for 3 seconds, 1, 2, 3, and then it will start. Okay, so what I'm going to do, part of the flow control, I'm going to, after 3 seconds, we're going to trigger function 1 again, which is at the top, function 1. Okay, right, now to run a function you have to call it. So I'm going to call it by function 1 up here. So it'll start here, and then when it's finished outputting this, it'll read this, which will take it to function 2, then it will output this, and then it will read this, which will take us to function 3, it will output this, and then function 4 will take us down here, output this, and then this will take us to the wait function here, and it'll pause for 3 seconds before going round onto this function again. This is one way to do flow control. So of course, before we can run this program, if I just save it like that, if I just click run now, you'll see nothing happens. So it doesn't run, so you have to call your functions. Like I say, I'm going to call it function 1 here to start it off. So that's going to be function 1. Okay, let's just move that down a little bit there, so make it look a little bit better formatted. So let me just save that. Time to run. Okay, so let's run it, shall we? There we go. Waiting, and it's going through all the functions here. This is flow control forever, waiting, and because it's just going through, it's on a loop, so you know this will run forever. So there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you liked that, and I hope you found it a fun way to do flow control and a fun introduction to functions. So I'll just end that there, and I will catch you in another video. Bye-bye.